Hey, it's been a few days since I've given you all an update on the pool install. We have a custom pool done, and I'm blogging about my beach home renovation. So you're in the right place if you're looking for stuff like that. And this is what they've done the last few days on the pool. So the stairs that I showed earlier are actually not as nicely formed now. These are water intakes for the plumbing system. The drains right over there. Right here today, they're gonna come in and stick in the lights. We're gonna have 4 LED lights put in to light it up, multicolor, actually, a low voltage system. This wall here, they've been working on a little bit more intently recently. That's the new height. It was right there in the middle frame, and now it's gonna be up there. So that way, from the living room, which is right above me, I won't see the neighbor's pool. So we got that going on. It's gonna be like that one. They did raise that one as well earlier in the project, and of course now they're doing this one. So they've been doing that, and they've been finishing up the pool, and they've been putting in all the necessary equipment to handle all of that. And we've had 3 solar people, installers come, and we're still almost close to deciding which one. We have another guy coming back today at noon to give us some numbers so that we can compare. I recommend that you always get at least 3 bids so you know if someone is crazy pricing or whether it's really appropriate or not. And they're going to stick to solar. So far, all of them want to stick to solar on top of the bodega here, actually extend the roof out to make sure we have enough panels for our lifestyle. And the pool house isn't in yet, but this is the pump house that they're sticking in. They were going to stick it on the roof, but decided not to do that because there wasn't enough room. And so all our pumps for the house water is going to be stuck in this little room they're making, hurricane proof. It's rebarbed and cemented up the wazoo, as you have to do around here. And it's going to have a water pressure system and a water softener in there so that we have nice house water, and also the temesal, or steam room, which is going to be a little bit more European style instead of Mexican style steam room, which is going to go over here next to the pool. It's going to go in right there next to the pool. It needs soft water, otherwise things get clogged up quite easily. So we decided to go with a soft water system so that we wouldn't have those type of issues going on in the house. And I think that's it for now. That's all our updates, besides painter finishing off the living room, hopefully today. Our bedroom was finished recently. I'll show a video on that as well, or already did actually. And then he's going to do some touch-ups around the house. And I think the painting is nearly done, thank goodness. So everything inside will be done until all this is done. And they're going to start paving instead of all this sand here. We live on the beach, but we like literally live on the beach. We're going to stick in little pavers. They'll probably look like that. I think that's what those are demos from the front door of the property all the way down to the beach. Everything around the pool will be done in tile or cement, and we'll have a thing going past the palapa there to our little gate. So that way we can go from the gate, which we have a little water there to rinse off your feet, and be able to walk all the way into the house without getting sand all over yourself all over again. So we're going to rinse our feet quite a few times just to get inside the house. And going from the kitchen, which is in this casita area here, to the main house, which is above here, you have to go through that sand. And I guess a little annoying. We do have the rugs down, and we wear sandals and everything to minimize that as much as possible. But it'd be nice to have a little actual sidewalk to get around the place. So we got that coming up, which I hear they're starting either today or tomorrow, or maybe as soon as they finish this wall. So that's it from here. If you liked the video, please like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. or just some praise. Yay, thanks for doing this. Let me know. I love that. And subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this or anything that I'm going to be doing in Yucatan, Mexico. Yeah, I did retire here, and after a lot of this renovation stuff is over, I also plan to go out and have some more fun. We love going to pyramids. We love eating out in Merida, which is nearby, and just enjoy the lifestyle here. We love it here, which is why we settled here, and we're having a great time. And there's a weekly newsletter at expatrebel.com/newsletter you can sign up for, where I have even more stuff and keep you up to date on everything that's going on here in Mexico, this part of Mexico, Yucatan, and expat news as well. See you guys next time.